Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the link for a document on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say you got started using ClickUp and you want to go ahead and get the link to a document so you can send it to someone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, there's multiple ways you could actually go ahead about doing this. One thing to keep in mind is that if you do decide to share a document, sometimes the document might be private, but also sometimes the document might be public. In order to see that, you can click onto a document and you could click on, let's click on share actually. You can see that right now it's toggled off where I can't share with anyone, but I can share it with other people within my workspace. So let's say this is a private document, but I want to share it to a team member. Just simply click on copy link, and then you can share this link to someone else, okay? In addition, you could also invite people by their name or email to this document also. But if you want to share it to someone outside of your workspace, you can toggle this on, share link with anyone, and then you can copy the public link and send it to anyone even though they're outside of your workspace. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share the link to a document on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.